let's play with repeating some of the elements, the rudiments of our basic Charleston. So let's get started with the basic. Now, as we explore, sometimes it'll hit the music and sometimes it won't, but I just want you to observe what you're doing. So we're gonna start by repeating the rock step for 8 counts. Kick it out. Do it again. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick it out. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Go back to the basic. Now the next one is going to be this kick step right here. We're going to repeat these. Kick. Release. Do it again. Now we're going to shorten it. Release. Now extend it. Now back to basic Charleston. Now let's stack the rock step and the kick step. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. All right, basic. Now the next part is going to be this kick on the right. Here we go. Kick, kick, kick. Keep kicking. You can kick in different directions. If you want to keep it more basic, you're going to go forward and back. Or come out of it. Here we go. Basic. And repeat. And release. Repeat. Now let's throw in alternating kicks and basic. Now for this last part, last element, we have that walk back right there. Walk it back. And Charleston. That was nice, the music. Oh yeah. Let's repeat the walk backs. And Charleston. Walk it back. Nice. Now let's repeat the rock steps. Nice.